Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Foodies. Today's tutorial I will be teaching you on how to make grilled chicken. I want to use air fryer. So I have the spices here: seasoning cube, turmeric, curry, ginger, garlic, thyme. I have spring onions. I have oregano spice. I added a little basil inside. I have onions. The one I cut the chunk on. The one I cut it smaller ones. This is carrots, spring onions. I have blue band. I have sweet chili sauce, blue band. This is dark soy sauce. So I'm going to start with blue band. Blue band is margarine. So I'm going to add only 1.5 tablespoon of blue band. You can use oil if you don't have blue band. For the soy sauce, I'm using dark soy sauce. I'll add two tablespoons of dark soy sauce, chili sauce, I'll add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Then I will combine it. So I'll add the spices. Then I'll use my hand. The onions, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I'll mix it very well. Mix it very well to combine. I will add a little salt. Here is the chicken. I'll start rubbing it. Rub it very well. Then you leave it to marinate for 2 hours. You can put it in the fridge. I will then put it inside. Rub it all over. I finished rubbing it. I will put the chunk onions inside. Spring onions, carrots, then I'll place it in the basket of the air fryer. So I'll drop it this way. Then I'll pack this and put inside. I want to place the air fryer basket inside the air fryer now. So I marinated the chicken for 2 hours. So I want to put it inside now. The temperature is going to be 200 OC, degrees centigrade. I'll then show it to you.
Let me check the chicken. Oh, it's done.
Hello guys, here is the outcome of the chicken that I just grilled. As you can see, it came out so well. It's juicy and it's moist. Oh my god. See how it is. So please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Click on the like button, like my video. Subscribe to the channel if you are not done so. Just watch. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Let me enjoy my chicken. Bye.